Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to put this tie-dye into this logo and replace the black with the tie-dye color. And the way they're doing it, it looked pretty good. This is logo sample. I just made a logo. I just changed the wordage. This is the same and this is the same, just so the company won't be infringed on. But what you need to do, this is all grouped together, so make sure your item is grouped together. Now this is just a fuzzy JPEG, but I think they said mine looked better. But anyway, the way they were doing, I can't remember how they did it, bitmapped and all this stuff. The file was too large to run to their graphic printer type printer to save it. They exported it and it was just way too big. The brand wouldn't open it up or something. And then I did it for them, and it was like 1/8 the size file, so it worked. And I'm just going to show them how to do it. But I didn't want to use their logo, and they didn't want to use the logo. So what you want to do is hit P, put that in the center of the page. Now to make this work, this item has to be, the logo has to be visible. You can't have it behind, it's got to be on front. And at this time, it's pretty neat because you could grab this and you could, if you want some blues and reds and yellows up here and blues down there, you can kind of see what's going on. Then select both items, and right down here, you see 2 objects selected. We're going to go right over here to Intersect. And look at that. Now, it doesn't look that spectacular, but if you printed on a black t-shirt or a dark blue t-shirt or whatever, it does stand out pretty good. Looks pretty good. And, the good thing I like about Intersect tool, tell you what, let's do this. Because now we can change it and do it again. Let's get rid of that one and put the new one over here. Well, it didn't work. I didn't intersect it, maybe. And look, so you can see the different colors and everything. And, you could even change it more, make it just barely fit in there. I think if you barely fit it in there, it would be tighter color. Let's do it one more time. So select everything and intersect it. And then look at you could compare the different logos. What we could do is just make all 3 logos together and expand the black box, and you could look at them individually. This one's got a yellow top, blue top, yellow long, it's just a little bit different. There's just different colors, and that way you could actually send them to the customer and see which one they prefer. And it would even show up good on a blue shirt. Well, maybe if it was a really dark shirt, you'd have to use some color that wasn't in the rainbow. Printed on black is always going to be the best. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.